Good morning, welcome back. So today, me and this guy, I think it's round 4, SEQ. I didn't even pack a baitcaster today. Apparently we are fishing for bream, so Wade told me I'd get in trouble. No jack fishing, no tuna fishing. Straight up bream. We're all about to go. So yeah, let's go catch some bream.
Fucking no fun, no run, no fun at the moment.
Yep.
Got one?
Oh, Paul, oh no, I got him.
Got him?
Yeah.
1 net?
Yeah.
Yep. Shit, right, just hold him there, Lee. Might have to flip him, bro. Hang on, just keep him there. Got rods and shit everywhere. We got him there. So this one? You got him?
Yep.
Oh, good start.
Good start, good start. Strike one for Gulp Grubby.
Brag mat's in my bag, key tags in the top pocket of my bag.
Where are you? There has to be this fish there. Oh, there was. No, I just grabbed it. Just a nibble. Oh, I got him. Got him, yeah. Feels alright. Oh, that's a good one. Dude, that's not a bad fish. Oh, the crabby just falls out now.
What we might do, we might move around.
Cecil petal.
We'll just finish this canal and we'll move around.
Let's test some fish. Alright, fish number 2 for me. Wade's got 3 in the bag. I think Wade's caught about 5 fish, but 2 smallies. There's my second fish to the bag.
A couple of dusties.
Contributing.
Hey,
So-
a team player.
That's 5 now, so
8 o'clock.
we're an hour into today and we got a bag. So me and Wade, happy. Looking good. There we are. There's our fish. Not too bad for a good start for the morning. Let's continue on, Wade. We'll have to pull up and do some measuring soon.
What we might do.
Because I'm only rated for 50.
Yeah. You on? Got him out?
Yeah.
Good side? Help. You like this? Oh, I was good.
Oh,
Gotta spin us around a bit.
he might be he'd probably be an upgrade. Let me have a look. Ow! You bastard.
Spikes.
Oh!
Oh, that didn't look good.
No. Ow! You bastard.
That looked like a treble in the finger.
Can you just grab the pliers for me, please? Just there.
Oh, nasty.
Oh. Turn my camera around for me. So what happens sometimes? The old thing, Wade, surgery.
This pot lockers? Not really.
Nope.
I'm going to push through or just pull?
Just fucking grab him and pull.
Oh, that wasn't too bad.
Bastard. In one of these boats, these big cat things, leave our wives and live the Playboy life.
Who's going to sleep with me there?
Well, we'll find honey. So we'll just, you know, be like, wait, babe, want to come for a spin? Just got to go for a spin on my needle.
Yep. Got one. Oh, get him out, get him out, get him out. On the other side, so we're good. We're good.
You're good?
Want a net? Yeah. Net it.
Yeah.
Don't lose it, net it.
Yeah.
Got it? Oh, you're gonna have to.
Oh, come here, you bastard.
Just let him go, don't fucking rush it. He's a good fish. Not an upgrade. You're gonna have to find the smallest one in the wild one anyway. Fucking.
Settle, petal.
Oh, dude, he's a healthy fish.
Yeah, there we are. My third one for the day. Contribute to the live well. OG Gold Crabby. Doing the job today.
Does the job every day. What day it doesn't do the job.
Quick batch change. What happens? Wade's on. Send him out. Oh, he looks good, Wade.
I'm just trying to go, lose my drag off a bit. I don't want him to go 4 hooks on him, so he's a good fish. I just felt a hook pull. Fuck!
Where is he? There he is.
I only got one fish in the Not many. Oh, where is he? He's on the surface.
Oh, yeah. Nope. Where is he?
Where is he?
He's heading down.
I can feel that. He must be a good fish, is he?
Yeah.
And here comes Scott and that. Oh, Scott, cool. Oh, no, you're smoothing that out of water, I think. We'll get him up on the surface and then we're ready.
Dude. Dude. Look at that, Wade. Yes. Hold on. Fucking look at me. Big hot. Oh. Nicely done, man. That's a definite upgrade. Alright, we'll do some upgrading.
Fuck, today went better than I thought it was going to go. Honestly. I was like, it's going to be a slog.
You got fucking...
Lee's going to get frustrated.
Lee's going to crack the jack gear out. Well, so far, we just did our weigh-in up on the live well. 38, we've got a 36, 2 34s and a 30. So we're tracking pretty well. It's only 10:30. We can upgrade our 30 to at least 34. I think we'll be sitting pretty good.
We'll be up there.
Alright, let's go back to the main canal. Yeah. That feels right. Oh, I'm gonna get fucked up. Oh, he's in the current, I've got him out. You turn around, turn around. Drag him back. Yeah, just keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing.
Yeah.
Yep.
He's an upgrade for sure.
Oh. I got a bit scared then. Yeah, buddy. Yo. I'm glad this was my 10-pound setup, like what I said. Like 10 braid, 10 litre, big crab.
Game over.
Just come this way. Alright. What have we got to upgrade? 32.
32. Check. Have a look.
Crank crab. A bit of cheeky dirty sauce. The stink finger. Hopefully he's an upgrade. I think he might be. Right, it's 10 to 2. Time to head back, weigh in. Currently, what are we sitting at? 176 centimeters. We didn't opt into the weigh-in today for some reason. Well, we kind of wish we did now. We're sitting pretty good. Rookie errors, but we're going to go back and we'll hand our photos in so we can get assessed and see if we placed. What do you reckon, Wade? What's the prediction?
Second.
Second? Second. Wade's going for second. I'm gonna shoot for first. No, we'll see. We'll see when we get back. We're looking pretty good though. Chunk.
And in first place today, I think this guy's driven the red clipper back today, get his bag again. But anyway, he fished with the new guys today, fishing his first tournament. So it's only way down now, man. Okay, so that's all right. He's a second win of the year, and that's Team Brimmel Buffs, Wade and Lee, 176 centimetre bag. Congratulations, guys. I told you 10% commission for every time the charter client wins.
Go on to the next chart.
Yeah, no, that's right. Anyway, congratulations, guys. Cracking effort. Tell us about your...
Well, there we are, back home. That's a wrap. First tournament down. Big W. Wade did say he thought it'd be second. He's contradicting, but we got the W. Didn't get big brim. It was big brim, 39.5 centimeters.
Yeah, 39.5.
And kicking ourselves now. So we weighed in a 3.11 kilo bag, and we didn't go into the prize pool for the weigh-in. We just decided to just enter the comp like normal, and now we're kicking ourselves. So, but all in all, good day. And so yeah. Anyways. No, that's SEQ sports fishing series. So if you want to get into a bream series, jump on that. And as always, like, subscribe. Any questions, hit me up. See you next time. Cheers.